morning to all. Today we'll study with NCRT Class 8, Chapter number 3, Understanding the Quadrilaterals. Now what is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means a figure which is made of some line segments. I hope so आपको पता है line segments क्या होती हैं, जो हम line draw करते हैं, right? Now what is a polygon? Polygon, a simple closed curve made up of only line segments. Now what is a polygon? Polygon means a simple closed curve. मतलब कि अगर कोई figure है जो closed है, तो these are closed figures, right? एक closed figure होता है. Now this is also a closed figure, right? But it is not a polygon. It is just a closed figure, right? A closed figure made up of only line segments. अब इसमें line segments है क्या? नहीं, ये सिर्फ एक closed curve figure. But this quadrilateral, इसमें 4 line segments है और ये closed भी है. So this is a polygon. Triangle, इसमें 3 sides है, 3 line segments है, and all are closed, right? So this is the closed figure. Pentagon, this is a closed figure. So these all are polygons, right? Polygon means when the simple closed curve, simple closed है ये curves made up of line segment. So this is not a polygon, right? It's just a closed figure. Now we come to classification of polygons. Now what the polygons are of different types. कौन-कौन से होते हैं? Triangle. Triangle means 3 line segments वाला 3 sides होती है. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means 4 sides वाला 4 line segments. Pentagon 5 line segments. Hexagon 6. यहाँ देखो 6 lines है इसकी, so it is 6 sides. So these are the classifications of polygons. ये polygons कितने होते हैं? नहीं और होते हैं. और कौन-कौन से होते हैं? It is hexagon. Hexagon के बाद आता है heptagon. Heptagon. So heptagon has 7 sides, right? Heptagon के बाद octagon. 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 So octagon or octagon has how many sides? It has approximately 8 sides. Sides कितनी है उसकी? 8. Next it is nonagon. 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 So nonagon की कितनी sides होती हैं? 9 sides, right? 9 sides वाला nonagon. And the next is decagon. Decagon. So decagon में कितनी sides होती हैं? 10 sides वाला polygon is known as nonagon. So this is the classification of the polygons. Now we move to the next thing, how the polygons sides meet each other. The next topic for polygon chapter is the types of polygon. As now we have classified the polygons into triangle, rectangle and quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, nonagon, octagon. Now we come to the types of polygon. Now types of polygon, the first thing is concave polygon. Now what it is concave polygon? Concave मतलब कि cave की shape, right? As a shape of a cave. So now in the like segments तो cave की shape में नहीं होता, but the angles are in the cave shape. See like this. This is in the cave shape. That means that one of its angle in this polygon is more than 180 degree. So it is known as the concave polygon. इसमें से कोई भी एक एंगल 180 डिग्री से ज़्यादा है तो concave polygon. Now it comes to convex polygon. Convex means x बनाता है. X means ऐसे shape बनाता है. That means all the angles are less than 180 degree. That means यहाँ पर जितने भी convex polygon हैं उसके जो angles होते हैं वो 180 डिग्री से कम होते हैं. As this is a quadrilateral. Now this is a hexagon. इसके सारे angles 180 डिग्री से कम होते हैं. Now नेक्स्ट इज रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन। अब रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन की प्रॉपर्टी होती है विच इज नोन एज द इक्विएंगुलर इक्विलेटरल। दैट मीन्स उसके एंगल्स सारे इक्वल होते हैं और साइड्स भी इक्वल होती हैं। दैट इज दिस इज अ ट्रायंगल। इन दिस ट्रायंगल all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. Same way this is a quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. So it is equiangular, yeah, equilateral and equilateral. Now next is irregular polygon. जस्ट अपोजिट टू रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन। दैट मीन यहाँ पर साइड्स और एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं और यहाँ पर नो साइड इज इक्वल, नो एंगल इज इक्वल। सो आई हैव गिवन यू एग्जांपल ऑफ अ ट्रेपेजियम। ये होता है ट्रेपेजियम, इसकी कोई भी साइड्स इक्वल नहीं होती है। नाउ वी कम टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक दैट इज diagonals. Now the next topic comes in our mind is diagonals. Diagonal means connecting the lines in a x1, right? So now we will see that connection of a line. We will see that this line is connected to this line. That means the diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices. Now what are the consecutive vertices? Consecutive vertices are, for example, if we will say A, B, C, D. So consecutive will be D to C. ये दोनों consecutive है। तो non-consecutive कौन होंगे? D and E. So connecting these two. And consecutive of A and B are consecutive and A का non-consecutive कौन है? A and C. So the line will be like this, right? So this is known as the diagonal. Now we come to the diagonal of the pentagon. Pentagon का क्या होगा diagonal? So it is non-consecutive, non-consecutive and non-consecutive, right? Now we come to the triangle non-consecutives. So non-consecutive of a triangle is this, right? So this is connected to here, this connected to here and this connected to here, right? So these are the diagonals or the line segments connecting the two non-consecutive vertices of the polygon, right? So this is the quadrilateral, pentagon and triangle. Now we come to the interior of the closed curve, exterior of the closed curve. Now whenever you mark the lines and you see the interior part of the interior area of the polygon is known as the interior of the closed curve. This is the closed curve because it is closed from everywhere, it is not open. So this area, the area which is inside the closed curve is known as the interior of the closed curve. Now what about the exterior of the closed curve? Exterior means this black line. The black line which I am making is known as the exterior of the closed curve. This curve is closed. This curve what I am making is closed and outside that it is exterior of the closed curve. Now we'll come to our next topic which is really very important. The next topic is the angle sum property. You know what we have learned from the last chapter, the angle sum property we have already learned. So now we will see the angle sum property of quadrilateral. It is angle sum property. Angle sum property. Angle sum property of quadrilateral because we are learning quadrilaterals. Now just for a recap, angle sum property of the triangle. Angle sum property of the triangle says that sum of all angles should be angles, sum of all angles should be 180 degree. That means this angle plus this angle plus this angle. This is A, this is B, this is C. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So this is the angle sum property of a triangle. Now we will watch about the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So this is a quadrilateral. We will see this is a quadrilateral. Now this is the angle, this is the angle. Say angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. Now we'll see the angle sum property says the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral what it should be quadrilateral should be this is 360 degree. That means angle A, this is angle A plus angle B, this is angle B plus angle C plus angle D, this is angle D, should be 360 degree. Their sum should be 360 degrees. So this is known as the angle sum property of this is the triangle, and this is the quadrilateral. Quadrilaterals angle sum property. That means in a triangle 3 sides are there, 3 angles are there. So the angles total should be sum should be 180 degree. In a quadrilateral 4 angles are there, 4 sides are there. So the sum should be 360 degree.